Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making sloppy Dorothy sandwiches. This is the original sloppy Dorothy sandwich recipe. What all do we need in the sloppy Dorothy sandwich? 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon dried onion or 1/4 cup fresh onion, fresh cracked black pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon mustard powder, 1 6-ounce can tomato paste plus 1 6-ounce can of water, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/2 cup Dorothy Lynch dressing, 1.5 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 6 to 8 hamburger buns, dill pickle slices, and American cheese, and those two are optional. So let's begin. Take a Dutch oven. I'm going to be just using a large skillet, and add your 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Then add your 2 cloves of minced garlic, your 1 tablespoon of dried onion or 1/4 cup of fresh, and your cracked pepper to taste, and your 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and brown that until it's cooked through. After your ground beef is brown, drain it. I just took a paper towel and wiped up most of it. Then add in your 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, your 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, your 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder, your 6 ounces of tomato paste, your 6 ounces of water, your 2 tablespoons of honey, add your 1/2 cup of Dorothy Lynch Salad Dressing, and your 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and stir that until thoroughly mixed. I will put the history of Dorothy Lynch down in the description box below. After you got it all mixed up, reduce your heat to low and simmer that for 30 minutes, stirring frequently. Take a hamburger bun, put a scoopful of the meat, and it's going to be sloppy. I'm going to put it down and let it be sloppy. The way they actually serve this is put a slice of American cheese on top with a couple of dill pickle slices. And they say you always have to serve it with potato chips. Well, when I had sloppy joes growing up as a kid, I liked Ruffles. Lay's was the other choice that we had, and that was always too greasy for me. So here is the sloppy Dorothy sandwich. Rounding out the meal is Ruffle potato chips. Let's see what Dave thinks. Looks pretty normal meal, huh?
Now you scared me when you, because I was thinking this looks like a pretty normal meal.
That is sloppy Dorothy sandwich. Not a sloppy Joe, it's a sloppy Dorothy.
Hey, never heard of that. I smell pickles. Well, has some pepper kernels in it or something.
Yeah, cracked black pepper.
Well, it's certainly different from a sloppy Joe. The pickles stand out, and obviously the pepper stands out to me, and the sauce is slightly different, but it's good. Whatever the whatever the differences are. I like it.
It's called Sloppy Dorothy because it has Dorothy Lynch Salad Dressing in it.
Whoever that is.
You never had Dorothy Lynch Salad Dressing?
Not that I'm aware of. I've never heard of it. I don't think. Nope. It's all right though. But like I say, for me, the standout, I guess this is the difference in the taste, but the standout for me is the pickle and the cracked corn. I mean, the cracked pepper.
Jimmy Crack Corn.
Yeah, something. But it's good. It does taste good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.